Another morning eating on the platform. I came out to the kitchen and Marty was up on the bench here on the boardwalk. Hi guys, where's Stripe? Let's go up here to eat. Give Tux a little room. Come on. It must be Sunday. You're walking with me.
Yeah, I'm walking with you today.
It's still nice out here.
Yeah, it's comfortable. It's just not very pretty. It's all overcast.
Yeah, it's supposed to be mostly cloudy today. No sun. Gray followed us this morning because Tux was eating, so she was actually able to walk without being tormented. Come on, honey. Let's go back the way we came. She goes, I'm a good driveway walker too when that Tux isn't bothering me. I'm gonna work on my Lego projects for a bit. Over the last few days have gotten some parts in the mail, including like the flat square pieces that go in the floor of the mansion, and I'm gonna file these parts and install a few of the parts I've been waiting for, at least for starters. So I got the interior on the second side of the second floor done this morning. A little book over there near the window you can see. I was able to do one window. I had some of those bricks come, but I'm still waiting on more bricks from another seller, so I still can't finish the window. And although the floor is now done in here, I still am waiting on these arches before I can build up. Somebody's giving blood today.
So I get to eat.
He gets to eat before he goes and gives blood. Right. Yeah. I'm having an MRI with contrast tomorrow, a follow-up on my brain, which we all know is messed up. But
it's not true.
So we decided I'm not giving blood today because they're only supposed to use my right arm for the needles, for the IV, and for drawing blood. I can't use my left arm. And we don't want to stick the needle in my arm 2 days in a row, potentially cause problems at the MRI tomorrow. So I'm not going to give blood this time. Yeah. So we're outside for a few minutes. It looks like it's going to rain any minute. It's not really supposed to. Yeah. And I'm going to do my fairy gardens, and Dawn's going to work on the extension cord and weatherproofing it a little bit. And we have some neighbor taking down a tree.
I've been taking down trees for days.
Yeah. Bummer. I came down here and I took a small amount of moss off. The last time I did this, it came back right away. You couldn't even tell in a couple weeks. So hopefully that'll be the case this time. I haven't watered it yet, but there are all of the bigger pieces here, and I have installed the moss. This is a different kind of moss. I actually took that off the bank versus off the asphalt down there, but looks pretty good. I'll water it here in just a minute. I got the lawn mowed. Now I'm going to do my second fairy garden. Dawn has been working on this cord, making it better the whole time, making it easy where it won't get water in it and I can get to it better and all that good stuff.
Yeah, you got a picture down here you can see. I turned it where the end of the cord's pointing downward.
Yep.
And I mean, that's not perfect, but the simple answer is it'll the water won't actually like run into it.
Yeah.
It'll run by it.
We're just going to put a few more rocks in this big pot before we put the dirt in. Save a little dirt.
Watering my gnomes. Watering my gnome garden.
I just put the moss on it. I actually had to go back down the driveway and get a little bit more. I mean, it did so good in the other spot that I did this, so we'll just, you know, hope. And if not, oh well.
Considering there's a lot of moss growing right here underneath our feet, I imagine this is happy for moss.
Yeah, I agree. Way cool. Don has on his new NASA shirt courtesy of Guardian Angel and his new sport watch.
$10 watch.
I decided to come along for the drive so I could play pogo mostly. Walmart has a Sunday crowd today. Parking lot's pretty busy. There's the Bloodmobile. I see they're back up right in front of the store. Well, I was supposed to turn on the Instant Pot before I left the house to cook a piece of corned beef, and I didn't. So mostly what I'm doing while Don's giving blood is driving back to the house to turn on the Instant Pot. Yeah. All right, the Instant Pot's on. I grabbed my purse because somehow I managed to forget that too. And I've done 1 or 2 chores. Now I'm gonna head back up there. Dawn hopefully will be done in a little bit. See, floorboard all nice and clean. Not that it was that bad, but Donna and I did vacuum yesterday. Well, South Park is definitely busy with people playing basketball on this side and people playing baseball and softball on the other side. And yeah, it's a nice day. It's 73 out there, so it's another great day in Carolina. Hi, pretty red Model Y back there. There's Donnie. Are you surviving your wife driving you in your car?
Yeah.
I've been a good girl.
She's been very good.
I haven't took off fast or nothing.
Although she made sure that guy didn't get in front of her.
Did you notice that?
Yeah, I didn't. Now look, she didn't take off fast. She just kept right up beside him, and he kept speeding up. She kept speeding up, and so we were doing 40.
He didn't have on a turn signal.
Didn't have on. He just let it off. He wasn't going to get in front of her. She did not blow him off, blow his doors off. She just made sure that if he.
But it seemed like he wanted to stay in his lane. He was just speeding up to the light. But you're right. I wasn't going to let him in front of me. Only because he was sort of being a... So is this where I have to take good care of you the rest of the day, including making you ice cream?
That's right. Make me ice cream. That's right.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
No heavy lifting.
No heavy lift. No extraneous exercise or anything like that. That's right. It means I get to pile up.
We didn't have birthday cake on my birthday, but I'm going to try adding cookie dough to the ice cream tonight and make a cookie dough ice cream. I've let it soften, come up to room temperature. The top of the toaster was a little warm, and I'm just going to plop the squares down in there and see what they do.